real quick, ladies and gentlemen, I want to cover something on this truck. It does have a leak somewhere in the exhaust, and I'm trying to find out where it's located. So I have my smoke machine up here all hooked up, and I got smoke pushing through the system. Let's add some more smoke to it. And this is normal. I mean, it's where the tailpipe is. This is a normal drain for your mufflers in the event moisture gets inside. Water has somewhere to go. You gotta come under here. Same thing with this. See smoke coming out of that one? That's what I want. I want to know if it's coming out here. Where else is that smoke coming out of? Oh, here's some more smoke here. I don't know if you guys can see that. So it's coming out of this clamp right here. So it tells me this clamp's not fully engaged. But there's an exhaust leak that's coming from the left side. It's hard to tell. You can see the smoke in my beam. Hold on, let me turn it down some. It's a slight hint of smoke, but it's there. So it does not look like it's coming from this connection. It's coming from the actual manifold itself. So on this year model, they are known for having cracked exhaust manifolds. So if you guys want to know how they perform smoke tests, that's how we do it. Hook up your smoke machine. I plugged off the engine up top, and then I'm looking for areas where the smoke is coming out, and that will let me know where there is a vacuum leak or an exhaust leak. So I got this online for like 50 bucks. There's better ones out there, but this one seems to work pretty well. But yeah, there's our smoke machine, and I now see where I have one major leak. I gotta fix that, and then there's that one on that header. At least I now know what I have to do to fix this truck, because you can clearly tell it's got an exhaust leak. It sounds pretty gnarly. So anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. This morning, tie my boots up, 'cause I knew it was gonna be a long